Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today's topic centers on ACL tibial landmarks, primarily focusing on the ACL tibial attachment, footprint morphology, and the lateral meniscal attachments to the ACL. The ACL exhibits a distinctive spreading from proximal to distal, presenting a larger tibial footprint than its femoral origin. The division between the attachments of the anteromedial and posterolateral bundles on the tibia was found to be obliquely oriented, coursing in a posteromedial to anterolateral direction. The anteromedial bundle of the ACL has a distinctive convex, comma-shaped appearance at the tibial insertion. This comma shape encompasses the posterolateral bundle's anterior, more convex contour. Next, let's discuss the relationship between the ACL and the lateral meniscus. The center footprint of the ACL and the lateral meniscus's anterior root are separated by only 8 mm, and electron microscopy reveals that up to 40% of their fibers overlap. The anterior aspect of this lateral meniscal horn corresponds with the center of the anteromedial bundle, and the posterior aspect of the anterior horn aligns with the center of the posterolateral bundle. The midpoint of the medial attachment border of the lateral meniscal anterior horn corresponds to the center of the overall ACL tibial attachment. In the anterior coronal image, the anterior horn of the lateral meniscus and the anteromedial bundle are visible. Additionally, the posterolateral bundle appears adjacent to the lateral meniscus in a slightly more posterior coronal image. The anterolateral fossa is identified as a bony depression located immediately medial to the lateral tibial plateau cartilage border and anterior to the lateral tibial eminence. Lastly, we have the retroeminence ridge, also known as the over-the-back ridge or the PCL notch, just anterosuperior to the tibial PCL attachment. The posterolateral bundle of the ACL is very close to the posterior root of the lateral meniscus. The retroeminence ridge, the PCL, and the Risberg ligament are also visible. Moving on, ACL ridge and tubercle. The ACL ridge marks the anterior boundary of the ACL attachment on the tibia. The ACL tubercle was defined as the protuberance located at the lateralmost edge of the ACL ridge. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button.